First, we got the hands-on video for the S23 Ultra, and this new Galaxy S23 Ultra video is a retail variant, meaning this was available in the market. And after that, we got the actual zoom test on the S23 Ultra, which is amazing. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, after the hands-on videos, we get a new video of the S23 Ultra where people are checking the zoom of the 200 megapixel camera to its full potential, where we all know that the zooming over 10x Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to use its primary camera, which is 200 megapixel sensor. And this video zoomed this new 200 megapixel camera at 100x, which is too far. Although we got the 100x zoom option on the S22 Ultra last year, so what's special about this new S23 Ultra camera? Well, the answer is that S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera brings more details than we have on the S22 Ultra. So if you are zoom lover, then set yourself buying date for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you guys happy with the image quality of the S23 Ultra? So guys, since it did not stop here, as the S23 Ultra new camera specs are out with the new camera detail images, where in store they showed us the hands-on video. They also checked the video features on the S23 Ultra, and here we get the first ever 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Last year it was 24 frames per second. Along with this, we get the new image showing us 3:4 to 200 megapixel camera option. So this will be amazing to use the 200 megapixel sensor on the S23 Ultra. You might have thought, are these real? Well, you just need to look at the end in the position that you will get the answer. If you want to see the official images sample of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, they were also out there. And this image was out by Ice Universe itself, where images were not taken with the 5x or 10x. This was shot at 12x with the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera. And why this image is so special? Because this brings natural colors. The image is not overexposed and not even sharpened as in the previous generation of the Samsung phones. Samsung used to overexpose, damage, or even sharpen them. But now the S23 Ultra, they changed the way they process the images, which is a good thing. Samsung started the reservation for the S23 Ultra, and you guys were going to get a $50 credit if you reserve the device now. The pre-order deals are also out, and believe me, these are one of the best deals Samsung ever put on. They are offering Galaxy Buds 2 or Galaxy Watch, which is itself a good amount of money. And you guys, if you want to see the unboxing video of the S23 series, here is the video. You can check out them as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.